Hey everyone, this is How to Guide You, and has been a long time since I have appeared on this channel. I'm going to make it as active as possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block advertisement on your Android device. So advertisements sometimes is very annoying, and they can cause a lot of things. For example, your power, your RAM, your memory, and sometimes if you're using 3G or LTE, they can make you cost more than a website. So it's going to be for Android 4.1 Jelly Bean up to the latest Android 6.0. So if you're interested in getting all of the advertisement entirely blocked on your Android device, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need is you need to root your Android device, because AdAway requires your this applications requires routing from your device, so you can actually modify the host inside your system. So what this app does is it will modify the host file at like thousands of websites that relates to ads, and it will and of course that host file will block that website, and that your ads will disappear. It's not going to be just disappear entirely. There will be some bars, some space left, but the ad won't appear and disturb you. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do here is we want to go to your browser, and you want to go to a website here called advn.com, and you want to go here, and this is the advn website here. So next thing we're going to do here is we want to tap on the Android version, because it will identify your device. If it's iOS or Android, it will appear, and it will identify, and it will appear as the iOS or Android or desktop version. And that you tap on Android version and tap on download, and it will prompt you. It's going to harm your device. You're going to keep AdAway, just go to OK. And since I've already downloaded this file, so I'm going to skip. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I have downloaded the files, and as you can see, we have the AdAway and the APK. And that file is like 14 megabytes, so it won't be large. Next, I'm going to open that. But first, we need to set this something here. So we go to settings, and we go to security, and as you can see, it says unknown sources. Make sure it's enabled, because you will be able to allow the system to install applications from outside the Play Store, and then you can actually install the APK file. Go all the way down, tap on install, and it will install for a while. Well, this will take like 1 minute, because I don't know what you guys about, but my device usually install AdAway pretty slow. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and the AdAway applications has been completed, and now you can actually open the applications. Take a while. And now there's an ad here, and we need to go ahead and close it. And this is a Vietnamese application, so it will be all Vietnamese language, so you need to change to English. Alright, so you're in the main home screen here. You need to swipe all the way to the side, and you need to go ahead and go to settings. Alright, so you need to go to here is tap on set language, and set the English, and the application will reload. So the next thing is we need an account to be able to download the file. Now I have already signed in, and as you can see here, this is my profiles, and so you can actually download it. You can actually sign in using Twitter, Google, or Facebook account, because they are all very popular accounts, and I'm sure each one has at least one of them, so it would be very good. So once you have to once you sign into the IBN, tap on search, and what I do here is we want to search for AdAway, right? It's the name AdAway, right? And we search for that. Alright, and as you can see, we have the application itself, AdAway here, and we need to tap on that. So this is AdAway, and tap on download, and you can obviously download your files, and then naturally opened. And it is AdAway version 3.1. So you need to download these applications, install on your device, and then you just open the AdAway. Alright. Alright, so here's AdAway, and as you can see, it says disabled right here. It says AdAway ad blocker, and you need to tap on download files and apply ad blocking, and the super user grant window will pop out and ask you to grant it. Make sure you grant it, and it will run the downloading here. As you can see, going to download these host sources, which going to modify the host files. It will not affect anything on your device, even though it's fail or not. It will not break. So, but make sure you need to back up first. And of course, if you don't want to, you want the one blocking again, just can actually tick on disable ad blocking, and it will set your host file back to the default settings. So, gonna take a little while, and I'll be right back. Alright, so you can see applying successful here, and the applying method would take like 1 to 2 minutes, so don't be worried about that. So as you can see, the applying was successful, and it will ask you to reboot. Of course, you must reboot your device, and I'll be right back when the rebooting things is done here. Alright, so my device is rebooted, and now it go to the home screen. So I'm going to go back to AdAway here, and go check for update. Of course, the host file will be updated anytime you launch AdAway. So let's see here. Alright, so you can see it says enabled, which means that ad blocking way has successfully applied to this device. Of course, there will be newer updates if there are more websites to be blocked. So it will be notified here if you launch AdAway anytime. It says update available to newer host files. Of course, you need to apply that as well, because you need the latest ad blocking from AdAway. So you must apply the update all the time. So that's my tutorial on how to block advertisement on your device. And thanks so much for watching this video. And it's got 235 subscribers right now. I mean, it's not so milestone, but it's also a pretty nice to me, because I'm only 13 years old, but I've made a pretty nice work for me. And by the way, I'm Vietnamese, and I want to be in the American more than Vietnamese. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys like comment and subscribe down below. Also suggest for a future video, because I'm out of idea right now, and I'm thinking about this idea. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.